Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to buy penny stocks on Charles Schwab, updated. First, open your Schwab brokerage account and complete identity verification. Next, fund your account with an amount you can afford to lose and confirm settlement rules. Use Schwab's research tools to screen for stocks under $5 with sufficient volume and recent filings. Set limit orders to control price executed and consider position sizing to manage risk. Place orders carefully on Schwab to reduce surprises and slippage. Start by selecting limit order and set a maximum buy price you accept, then specify quantity. Review estimated commission or fee disclosures and confirm there is adequate average volume for your size. Consider using order duration like GTC when monitoring positions, and always preview the trade before sending to ensure correct ticker, price, and shares. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control, smart mapping, and powerful suction make cleanup effortless while you focus on trading. I use it to save time between research sessions, and it really frees up my desk time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Managing risk is essential when trading penny stocks on Schwab. Decide your risk per trade and set stop-loss orders accordingly to preserve capital. Use position sizing rules and never risk more than a small percent of total portfolio on a single name. Monitor news, filings, and volume spikes, and be prepared to exit quickly if liquidity dries up. Regularly review your risk rules and adjust as needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.